Okay, I'm out here recording the cicadas. They have come out of the ground and they're crawling up the tree. You can hear them, they keep dropping every so often, but it sounds like Rice Krispies. It's the most amazing thing I've ever seen. So many bugs. And they go all the way up the tree. Where you can see them. But it sounds like it's raining under this tree. Like a bowl of cereal. Wow. Oh, there's one crawling on my foot. If you stand still long enough, they start crawling on you. There's another one on my shoe.